It seems like so often in life we're trying to be what everybody wants us to be, and then we get to the point where we become who we were meant to be.
By being a conscious, aware, awake presence, a creative, co-creative presence.
Anubhuti Retreat Center presents a full-day meditation retreat on science and silence called 2020 Vision on January 19th from 10 to 5.
I've been working on a style of education that helps people learn about their bodies in terms of what's going on scientifically, but more importantly helps them connect with their bodies through direct felt experience.
And coming into stillness and meditating and just allowing the thoughts processes to flow, allowing the healing to take place emotionally, and giving the heart a chance and my perception a chance, to see things as they are.
Let's have some clarity about what a heart actually is. Let's have some clarity about what eyes actually are. When we can see our bodies and see the larger world with that kind of just clear seeing, then we're in a position to truly love it unconditionally. Just like in order to love a person unconditionally, we have to see them for who they are, not through some filter of what we wish they were or what we don't want to see, but what they truly are.
It's learning how to take an experience that feels eternal, it feels familiar, it feels empowering and stable. It's a continuum, it's real. And then I have this three-dimensional world that I coexist in, that I'm conscious and aware of. And that's a reality. So what's real into this reality? And as you know, this reality is relative to the experiencer.
I think one value in what I'm trying to do by bringing relatively straightforward scientific imagery and facts to people is to allow people to see beyond that surface appearance of reality and see how it's this infinitely complex and almost incomprehensible flow of movement and energy and resonance and connection between cells and organs and individuals and organisms and ecosystems and ecospheres. What looks on the surface like a very hard, punishing kind of realism is actually an infinite foam with just, a sparkling, almost champagne-like quality, right? This bubbling effervescence, this joy of life. And we get trapped at a certain level and we're looking at it from this kind of hard edge. And we're
not seeing the big picture.
We're not seeing the deeper part of it. We're not seeing into it. We're seeing only the surface of it.
For me to constrict, to hold back, to cut off, to negate, I am creating pain.
Yes.
Cellular pain,
Yes.
nerve pain, cardiovascular pain,
Right.
respiratory pain,
Right.
spiritual pain.
There's a pattern going on. My heart has absorbed this. Wouldn't it be an act of kindness to my heart and my whole body to learn to calm down?
There's this experience of awe and wonderment, how it's just enough to be who I am.